Hello, and welcome back to Complex to Clarity. If you're new here, we specialize in making complex concepts easy to understand in 5 minutes or less. Today's topic, Ponzi schemes. A Ponzi scheme is a form of investment fraud that pays profits to earlier investors using funds obtained from more recent investors. It's named after Charles Ponzi, who notoriously used this method in the early 20th century. The scheme promises high returns with little risk, but here's the catch. The high returns aren't from any actual profit earned by the investment, but from the money paid in by newer investors. Here's how it typically works. Let's say a schemer convinces investor A to put in $100, promising a 50% return in just a few days. Meanwhile, the schemer attracts investor B, who also invests $100. The schemer returns $150 to investor A, but the extra $50 hasn't come from any profit-making activity. It's actually a portion of investor B's money. Investor A is thrilled and invests more money, and more new investors come on board, attracted by the seemingly high returns. This can continue as long as new investors keep entering the scheme and the existing investors do not demand all of their investment back at once. In essence, a Ponzi scheme creates the illusion of a profitable business when, in reality, new investor funds are just paying off the earlier investors. But inevitably, Ponzi schemes collapse. They either run out of new investors, or too many existing investors ask for their money back at once, and the schemer can't pay them all. Ponzi schemes cause considerable financial harm and often ruin the lives of the investors involved. They are illegal and punishable by law. It's crucial always to do your due diligence before investing your hard-earned money. That's it for today's episode on Ponzi schemes. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into complex topics. Stay vigilant, and we'll see you in the next video.